Hello everyone and welcome back to the pocket realm of the internet known as Mighty Foxy. So we're back with the Evil Within. Let me in. Thank you.
We should go.
We should go. We're out of ammo and everything.
I'm glad you're both all right.
It's odd, though. Why would they catch you instead of just killing you?
Maybe he didn't see me as a threat.
He?
Oh, great. This little douchebag gave me douching toots. No! Ow! That was fucked up. Great. Now I'm
Another
separate
one of
from
those
my
doors.
separate from my buddies again. Some bullshit. Alright. Detective Sebastian Castellanos and Detective Mira Hansen joyfully request your pleasure of your company at their wedding celebration, Saturday the 17th of September 2005 at 12:30, the Veranda Hotel, Crimson City. Reception to follow. Oh, getting interactive. I guess I should go through the mirror again. Come on, guys. Let's take some mushrooms and go through the looking glass.
Have you forgotten something?
Yeah, where the hell I'm here. How much goo do I got? Oh, I do got a key, though. I should go use this key. This one. Goo! Wow, a lot of goo. Cool. I can go level up now. Yay, goo! Okay, let's see. Save that one. Wouldn't mind some more health. Yeah, let's boost the critical capacity on that. Let's save again. Alright, we're saved. Let's run. We must run. We gotta rescue people. Our friends are in danger. Only one. I'm not gonna climb down yet. Hey, where's my tool? Where's my pieces, you ass? Oh shit! Thank you for dying. Oh no. you all just stay dead, please? I'd really appreciate that. Whoa. Okay. Matches. A lot of burning going on there. Okay. More parts. I'm gonna go down that ladder real quick. Seems like this is the way I'm supposed to be going, and the ladder is the way to something optional. Get your breath, douche. God, I hate you, Sebastian. Whoa. Okay, I see. I see how this is gonna be. Alright. That worked. Let's see what's up here. Ah. Nice. And some goo. I knew there'd be something behind some boxes again eventually. More parts to build stuff with. Alright, let's see. Ah, balls. Alright, cool. I can build a couple more bolts. Alright. Wrong way. Wrong freaking way. My ass is glowing. Let's see. Means there's gonna be a lot of motherfuckers at some point here. Or just someone the game thinks I deem worth trying to light a bunch of them on fire. There's gonna be a big guy or a bunch of guys. Oh shit.
Fire seems to work.
Good to know. Fucking spider bitch. Spider bitch, spider bitch. No one wants to put up with spider bitch. Really? Am I really gonna have to do this? Want my key, damn you. To waste ammo on that? Assholes. shit. Burn, you whore. Burn. Oh, I did not like that samurai. Screw that bitch with green eggs out now. I'm gonna go collect her goo. It's probably a lot of goo. A lot of goo, a lot of goo. Apparently I need to take the other path down. Want her goo. Catch your breath. Boss goo. Yeah, that's a lot of goo. Lot of goo, lot of goo, lot of goo. Didn't even need to use the crossbow this time. And I'm kind of glad I didn't need to, considering I screwed up. Whoa, 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 something's over here. Oh, look, now I get matches. Just shows the best time to give me matches. I'm pretty sure it's the end of the chapter, so we'll stretch this out as long as we can.
Go home. Go home. Subject's case history cites developmental delays. Indicates issues with communication, social cognition, repetitive behaviors. Signs of synesthesia reported. Genealogy suggests increased susceptibility to external stimuli. Pattern adaptiveness. Could you be what I've been searching for all these years? And under my own nose? Unbelievable.
Must be Leslie.
There can be no mistake. This one is compatible.
Oh, I gotta aim at the guy and I get ported to some freaky land. What in the hell indeed? Oh, come on. We've discussed this game. We have discussed this. Oh, did I plug him? Yoink. Yeah. You've been unplugged. Whatever the hell that means. Ow, you're a dick. I'm unplugging you. You get to be unplugged. You've been unplugged. Okay, well that was chapter 5. That was actually a surprisingly long chapter. But yeah, alright people, we're gonna call this episode here, and one encompass like 3 or 4 episodes, I think. That was a long-ass chapter. But yeah, people, make sure to leave a like, a favorite, share, and subscribe, and we'll be back soon with more of The Evil Within. Stay foxy. Bye-bye. Buddies again. Some bullshit. Alright. Detective Sebastian Castellanos and Detective Mira Hansen joyfully request your pleasure of your company at their wedding celebration Saturday the 17th of September 2005, at 12:30, the Veranda Hotel, Crimson City.
See me as a threat.
He?
Oh, great. This little douchebag gave me douching tips. Ow! Ow! That was fucked up. Great.
Another
separate
one of
from
those
my
doors.
Separate from my... Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the pocket realm of the internet
Let's
known
get
as
going.
Mighty Foxy. So we're back with the Evil Within. Let me in. Thank
We
you.
should go.
We should go. We're out of ammo and everything.
I'm glad you're both all right.
It's odd, though. Why would they catch you instead of just killing you?
Maybe he didn't.
City. Reception to follow. Getting interactive. I guess I should go through the mirror again. Come on, guys. Let's take some mushrooms and go through the looking glass.
Have you forgotten something?
Yeah, where the hell I'm here. How much goo do I got? Oh, I do got a key, though. I should go use this key. This one. Goo! Wow, a lot of goo. Cool. I can go level up now. Yay!